Hi guys, my name's Mrs. Najum, so I'm going to be your honors recap teacher for this year. I just wanted to come on and say hello and talk to you a little bit about what to expect on Tuesday. So if you are in my first period class, we will be starting our Google Meet nice and prompt at 7:30 in the morning. And what you want to do is just go to your home page in Canvas. So there's two different things you could do. Go to your home page in Canvas, and when you do that, if you hit this link right here, it links you to Google Meet. And once you're there, you just type in this Meet nickname of KNAGEM HPC, and then click Join Now. So I'm going to just kind of show you what that looks like. And the address for that is just meet.google.com. So if you would rather just go there, you can do that. I actually have it bookmarked right here on my computer just because I'm using it all the time. So it's up to you how you want to do that. And then when you click join, you're going to type in KNAGEM HPC and continue. This is going to look a little weird for you at home for right now, but it's going to ask you if you're okay having your mic and your screen on. You want to have your screen on so I can see you and your microphone off. I'm not going to turn mine off right now or you won't be able to hear me. So you want actually the exact opposite of what it shows here. You want your mic off and your screen on, and then you're just going to click join now. And I'm not going to do it now because, well, I guess I can. And so it doesn't really look like much of anything right now because I'm the only person in there. But if you've done them before, you kind of know what it looks like. And you can see down here that this screen is turned off and the mic is on, which again is the opposite of what I want you to do. But you'll get the hang of it. When we're done with class, I'll ask you to exit out, and that's this red button in the middle here where you can leave the call. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that you kind of knew who I was and what I looked like. I'm going to go over a lot more information for you on Tuesday. I hope you're enjoying your Labor Day weekend and we'll have a good year together. Pre-calc is one of my favorite things to teach. I also teach AP statistics. I really love both of them, so I hope that you will enjoy them too. And again, I'll see you Tuesday at 7:30. Just go to this link or type in meet.google.com. Type in my nickname and we should be able to see one another on the screen. So thanks for listening, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Take care.